Thoughtfully restored and remodeled, this beautiful colonial home is nestled in Irvington, a sought-after upscale and quiet neighborhood known for its historic charm and fine craftsmanship. Enormous mature trees frame this 1918 home, offering the best of both worlds, modern conveniences and old-world character. Discover gracious living spaces filled with natural light and newer wood windows approved by the Historical Society. A charming sunroom opens to the private patio. The total kitchen remodel features exquisite quartz counters, a dual-fuel Viking range, built-in Miele dishwasher, a built-in Sub-Zero, and custom cabinets. Elegant wainscoting frames the formal dining room. French doors open to a private office. Upstairs in the primary bedroom suite, relax by the gas fireplace or unwind in the updated bath. You'll also love the walk-in California closet. This home of more than 4,100 square feet has 2 additional generous bedrooms on this level. And another updated full bath. This 4-level home has plenty of space with 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths with new AC, gas furnace forced air, and new carpet. The recently remodeled, beautiful finished basement has an inviting family room with built-ins. A kitchenette. An office with a separate entrance and a bedroom. The backyard offers a private oasis with mature trees and plantings, creating a tranquil space for relaxing or entertaining. An exceptional opportunity in the coveted Irvington neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Mary and Johnny Ott with Premier Property Group.